And you said Clancy's your dad, or?
No. Caleb is Bowater breeding. That's what that's Bowater.
Oh, hello! You're so handsome. You're getting too close to me.
Yay!
Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you are adorable.
I know you get.
So what's this one's name?
I've been calling him Mr. Big.
Mr. Big. Fitting. Oh, look at you!
Mr. Big.
Oh my God, that is the cutest thing.
I think he's going to be real natural and jewelry.
Oh.
So is the other one. I've got to pee.
No, there's something there.
No, don't eat that. No.
Oh, look at your face! Oh my goodness. Yeah, you went out. Oh. Who's that?
This is Mischief.
Mischief?
She's my bald baby.
Oh, I'm getting some... Oh, I like her coat. It's that nice kind that's like easy to groom.
No.
Yeah, easy to groom. It doesn't look so good in the
my Mackay is just completely naked.
Thank you again for your help
Oh,
today.
sure.
Oh.
Sure, no problem.
She's in season, so she may be smelling quite interesting.
It's a Newf party.
Hey, how are you? Everybody's got one.
Can I see the other one?
Sure.
So, do they look very similar, or?
Probably a little shorter in the back. Not quite as big.
Mr. Big.
Oh, it's Mr. Big.
Look at him.
It's big and small. It's big and small. Huh? Is that big and small? Yeah. Yeah, hey, big and small. Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Where's your toy?
Wow.
Where's your... Oh, your brother's coming.
Oh, here he comes.
Don't quite know what to...
Oh my God, so cute.
You gonna steal his toy? You gonna steal his toy? Yay! Oh my goodness gracious!
I should have brought my treats.
Here, take it.
Oh, looks like Mommy's bought some new toys. Looks like Mommy's bought some new toys.
Oh.
They all look too clean.
Oh, they're darling. Oh my God. They're almost as big as Mackay. What would she think if you brought a monster like this home to torture her?
That day is going to be very interesting because she's been a terror to us deep for almost 5 years now. She just has not stopped. I'm like, I'm not going to feel sorry for you whatsoever.
Gosh, you're so cute. Oh my goodness.
Misty calmed down after a while. You know, I just keep thinking that Misty's her friend. Misty's 10. She doesn't.
Oh, they are so cute. And what are you calling this one?
Bravo.
Bravo. I think I like Bravo.
I think
He's very nicely proportioned and balanced.
It's just that he's bigger.
He is bigger. He's quite a bit bigger.
Taller.
Look at you guys.
Oh, they are so cute. No, not at all. I mean, they're both huge. Oh my God.
Look at you.
Well, you should send the one you don't want down to Pat and Judy.
Pat and Judy. They already have like 3 of mine.
Yeah. You guys are so cute. Oh my goodness, I love you. Oh,
have George.
they love boys. They love boy
I'm
dogs.
sitting here going, Maxine, Commodore. Yeah, George.
I thought she was going to be here today.
Yeah, the early
They're
afternoon.
driving up
Oh,
today.
okay.
Yes.
Oh, they're just driving.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought she was entered today. For some reason, I thought,
No.
she's not going to make green time. I never looked at the catalog.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, so cute. All right.